So the sun is setting right now. It's absolutely beautiful. And I have the Fujifilm X-T5 here, and just been kind of playing around with some different shots. Right now I have the 70 to 300 millimeter lens on, and I'm shooting a 30-second exposure, f9 and ISO 125. And yeah, as the sun goes down, I'm just going to play with different shutter speeds. I'll probably crank it up to a minute here, and then maybe a little bit longer, just to kind of see how that's going to look. But man, this is so beautiful here. All right, well, I hope you guys enjoyed that.